So the recording has started. So good morning everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. Please confirm if my audio video is clear or not completely. Clear? Okay then. Let's start off with today's class. So here's the first question for you today. Question number 5. Read the question properly now. Properly. Can anybody explain me the question? What does it actually say? Make sure you read it properly. I want you to understand this question. Yes, anyone who can explain me the question? Anyone who would like to attempt? No one. It's as simple as this. There's a rectangular plot and at every 1 meter interval trees are planted. Every 1 meter interval. So taking A as the origin, find the coordinate of the vertices of the triangle. Taking A as this point will be taken as the origin and you have to tell the coordinates of this triangle. Clear? 1 tree will be considered 1 units, therefore 1 2 3 4 5 6 till 10, and similarly is for y axis. Clear? Now can anybody find the coordinates for P, Q and R when A is the origin and write the coordinates in the chat box. Let's see how many can get it absolutely correct. Hurry up, count it properly. If you want me to enlarge the figure, I'll do that. I have to make sure that A is the origin and then you have to go on to calculate the coordinates of P, Q and R. Please write the answer in the chat box. Let's see how many can do it. In the chat box, answer. Only the coordinates. Four, 6, 3, 2, 6, 5. Very good. Surya and Bodhisattva, very good. Is everybody clear with this numerical? Look at the coordinate of Q, 3, 2. P's coordinate will be 4, straight line, and then 6. R coordinate will be, this is 6 and this is 5. Clear? Now there's a twist over here. Look at the second part. Coordinates of the triangle PQR, if C is the origin, if this is the origin, now this is 0, 0, now you tell me the coordinates. Let's see how many can get it correct. Did everybody understand this thing properly? C is the origin now. Now everything will change. Now you have to start counting from C. Tell me the coordinates for P, Q and R. Fast. Let me help you out with one. Please coordinate out here. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And over here 3. Okay. 13, 10 comma 3. This was 10. 10, 3, 13, 6, 12, 2. Again, excellent job, Vedashota and Surya. Rest of you also, hurry up. This will be your required coordinates. Now, can we find the area for this triangle when 3 coordinates are given? Look at the next part of the question. It says that also calculate the area for the triangles. In each case, what do you observe? So here do we have from figure P, Q and R, yes or no, can we calculate area from these 3 vertices as well as area from these 3 vertices? You have to just calculate the area from these 3 vertices. This exercise is a mixture of what you have done previously. We need the area for the triangle when we have taken A as the origin. Hurry up, go on to calculate the area for the triangle when A is the origin. When A is the triangle, when PQR is the triangle and A is the origin, let's see how many have got the answer. Area of the triangle, both the cases will be 9 by 2. Very good, Trideep, Surya and Vadishota. Area in both the cases will be 9 by 2 square units. Clear? Everyone, please copy it down. I'll give you exactly 2 minutes of time to copy it down till the time I pause the video. Then we will. So moving on to the next numerical question number 6. Now we see out here the vertices of the triangle AB and C has been given. A line has been drawn to intersect AB and AC at D. Clear? This is how the figure will look like, such that AD by AB is equals to AE by AC is equals to 1 by 4. You will have to calculate. Note this thing properly. AD by AB, this entire, and AE by this entire is 1 by 4. You have to calculate the area of the smaller triangle as well as the larger triangle. Clear? Now one theorem will be used out here. Okay, remember this theorem. Actually they have given us this one, right? So since point D and E are divided in the ratio of 1:3, can we say AD by DE is it 1 by 3 DB, sorry, because AD by AB is equals to how much? 1 by 4. Yes or no? Look at it very carefully. This part we will be doing when we do triangles. Okay, clear? We have to calculate the smaller one as well as the larger one. So since this is divided in the ratio of 1:3, now what we will do, see, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2. Can we calculate this when this is 1:3 and again this is also 1:3? First tell me the coordinates for D and E. I hope people have understood how this 1:3 has come. Yes or no? They have already given us AD by AB and AE by AC is equals to 1 by 4. When the entire this is 1 by 4, that means AD is 1 and DB is how much? 3. Calculate the coordinates for DE and tell me the coordinates for D and E first. I hope people have understood this thing. If people have, kindly tell me the value for D and E. And then you go on to calculate the area for ADE and compare it with the entire triangle. You will see it becomes the square. This is a theorem in your previous chapter. A coordinate will be x1, y1, B's coordinate will be x2, y2, and M is to N is 1 is to 3. I need the values for D and E coordinate first. Let's see how many can do it. No one? Coordinates for D and E. Very nice question. Use the section formula that M is to N 1 is to 3. So tell me the coordinates for D only first. 13 by 4, very good. Go on to find the value for E. This coordinate will be 13 by 4 and 23 by 4. Now I need the coordinates for E. This is a very interesting question. And don't be surprised if you get the similar kind of question in exams also. Your E coordinate will be 23 by 4, yeah, exactly. Coordinate for E will be 19 by 4 and 5. Clear? Yes or no? Can we calculate ADE now? Tell me the value for ABC triangle area and ADE triangles area. Let's see who can tell me the answer first. Okay, I've got the coordinate for E also. Now ADE triangle, you know the coordinates of D and E. Go on to find out ABC triangle and ADE triangle. These are all application based. If you are able to do this numerical, you can feel the confidence on you that you are able to do some particular new numerical. That is what I want you to try. Joy Rishi, answer. Larry, answer fast. I need the area for the smaller triangle as well as the bigger triangle. Now, whenever sides ratio are given AD by AE 1:4, therefore the area will be the square of this thing always. Okay? AD by AE, area, ADE by ABC will be equals to 1 by 16. Now you cut it off and check. You're getting 1 by 16. Check, see. Did you understand how to find the area? Short formula. Yes or no? Area triangle ADE by area triangle ABC will be the square of the corresponding sides. That means AD by AE's whole square, which is 1 by 4's whole square, which is 1 by 16. Understood? See, after having done so much of labor work, you still have got 1 by 16. Did everybody understand this thing? However, you have to do it in the way the numerical has been asked. It's 15 by 2 the bigger one and 15 by 32 the smaller one. And when you divide it, you will be getting 1 by 16. Did everybody understand this numerical, yes or no? And the way which I have right now told you, did you understand this? Please confirm yes or no. Okay. Can we move on to the next one? Now this one is another big numerical, but don't worry. Can we move on to the next one? Please confirm yes or no. Okay. Okay then. Question number 7. A, B, C are the vertices of the triangle ABC. The median from A meets BC at D. Find the coordinate for D. First of all, draw the triangle. No issues. ABC coordinate. Write the coordinates out there. Median from A meets BC at D. That means it will be somewhat like this. Yes or no? At D. Is it clear? Can we calculate the midpoint? Since this is the median, this will be the midpoint between B and C. Let's see how many can do it. Hurry up. I need the coordinate for D, the median. Median. We'll do it one by one. It's not that difficult at all. I want you to calculate the answer because the entire chapter has been done. Nine by 2 and 7 by 2. Very good. 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Now, moving on to the next one. I hope people have got this one answer. And make sure you draw the triangle as well. Question number 2 now. Find the coordinates of the point P on AD such that AP is to PD is 2:1. Can we calculate this, yes or no? We know the coordinates for point D, which are people just now got 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. This is M, this is N. Can we calculate point P, yes or no? Hurry up. This is point A, this is point D. And let me write the coordinates for this 7 by 2 and 9 by 2. Hurry up, I need the coordinates for point P. 11 by 3 and 11 by 3, very good. Very good, Tritip Roy. 11 by 3 and 11 by 3 is the correct answer, the point P. Rest of you kindly follow up. Done? Very good, 4 people have already answered. Very good. Now, moving on to the third one, find the coordinate of the point Q and R on median BE and CF such that BQ is to QE is equals to 2:1 and CR is to RF is equals to 2:1. Find the coordinates of Q and R, right? So BE, let me clear this thing off a bit. BE, this is E, clear? And CF, this might be, let's say, F, such that BQ is to QE. This will be Q now. Let me draw it a bit separately. Let this point be Q and let this point be For your convenience, I am making it R. Clear as per question. Now, first of all, you'll have to calculate point E and then you have to calculate point F. I need the values for point E and point F. After that, the similar thing has to be done out here as we did it for AD. Again, the ratio will be 2:1. We'll have to again calculate this point and again this point. Clear? I need the value for D and E. E is again the midpoint of AC. So you'll directly see out here 4 plus 1 by 2 is 5 by 2 and 3 for F. E, sorry. And for F, this is 6 plus 5 by 7 by 2. Has everybody got this coordinates? Now forget everything. Has everybody got this coordinate? Yes or no? E and F. Confirm yes or no? E and F are the midpoints of AC and AB. Can we proceed? Now, again for BE. BE ratio is how much? 2:1, right? So, just keep in focus this coordinate and this coordinate. Now calculate. This will be M and this will be N. Forget every coordinate. This is A, B and C. Stay focused in B and E, dividing it in the ratio of M is to N, which is 1, 2:1. Yeah, it's 2:1. Clear? I need the coordinate out here. I need the coordinate Q. Can anybody tell me the coordinates Q? If we're done with Q, I need the coordinate for P also. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. mx2 plus nx1, the coordinates for Q will be easily be coming out as 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. Did everybody get this? As well as the coordinate for R will also come out to be 11 by 3 comma 11 by 3. Is it clear to everyone? Please confirm yes or no. Yes or no? Question number 4 tells that what do you observe? Note that the points which are common to all the three medians are called the centroid, and these points are divided by in the ratio of 2:1. Clear? Do we see that all the three points are coming same? Yes or no? These points are called the centroid of the triangle. Clear? And the centroid of the triangle's formula was given to you in the class, in the first classes. Yes or no? And you will cross verify it using this formula. Clear everyone? Yes or no? Please confirm. Your homework for today will be question number 8 as well as the examples.